Intermediate 13. The impact of cognitive biases on decision making. Human beings like to believe that they are rational creatures who make logical decisions based on objective evidence. However, cognitive psychology suggests that our judgment is frequently clouded by cognitive biases, systematic errors in thinking that occur when people are processing and interpreting information. These biases act as mental shortcuts or heuristics that help us make quick decisions in complex environments. While they can be useful in life or death situations, they often lead to irrational choices in our professional and personal lives. One of the most pervasive biases is confirmation bias, which is the tendency to search for, interpret, and remember information that confirms our existing beliefs while ignoring contradictory evidence. This is particularly dangerous in the age of social media, where algorithms amplify our existing viewpoints. Another significant error is the sunk cost fallacy, where individuals continue an endeavor such as a failing business or an unhappy relationship simply because they have already invested significant time or money into it. Recognizing these biases is the first step toward more objective thinking. By consciously seeking out dissenting opinions and questioning our initial intuitions, we can improve the quality of our decisions and avoid common psychological pitfalls.